Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to change system vibrations in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for vibrations in our phone. Of course, in the settings menu. Settings, then sounds and vibration, and here we have vibration intensity. Here we have a few options: call, notification, system, media. We are interested in system, so we just use this slider to change intensity of our vibration, or we can just turn it off if we don't want it at all. So that's it, no need to save, just back out, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.